I could have feel the natural medicine
Yeah.
rushing down to my leg.
Awesome, awesome, awesome.
And the twinkling of the toe,
Yeah.
I don't feel it anymore.
Jamal's family, how you do? Oh, fantastic. You know, in this medicinal Herbs of Jamaica series, I've shared scores of herbs that have totally transformed the lives of people across the globe. And in this special episode, I'm back with Ms Watkins. Remember that Rastafarian lady in the hills? Yes, we're going to be looking at herbs for detox, another problem area. But above that, we're going to be sharing some testimonies, real life, real people testimonies of people who have benefited from these herbs. And I don't want you to miss it. So stay right with me to the end. If you're here for the first time though, I invite you to join us. Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. I do a lot of these videos and I don't want you to miss any of them. So do that now. And that way, you get all my new videos. Let's go. Herbs for detox. All right, guys, from the beautiful hills of
St. Leonard's.
Leonard's, man. And in the hills, here she is.
Leonard's.
The veteran, Ms Watkins. You remember her? Say hi to the world, Ms Watkins. Yes, man. Yes, man. All right, wonderful.
Hello, world.
You said you have 5 herbs, potent herbs for detox, that you recommend. And we're going to look at them right now without hesitation. Number 1.
Yellow dock.
Yellow dock.
And yellow dock is grown underneath the earth, just like sarsaparilla. So you'll dig the roots. And it's very red. So you'll use it to make a tea for your detox.
Just like sarsaparilla?
Yeah, you grow underneath the earth. So you'll use it, the roots.
What amount?
This is just the leaves.
I
think the leaves could use also. So once the root can use, but we mostly use the root.
Stronger?
Yeah, man. When you dig it up, it's red.
And how do you use it?
We use like could say you can dry it and ground it to powder. You can use it to make a cup of tea, or you can add it with other herbs and use it to make.
What amount do you use? Like if you want to make a cup of tea with the root.
With the root, you can based on the size of the root. Because you have some root that is very long, and you have some that is very short. So you just cut the roots into pieces and wash them and add it to your pot and drink.
And drink a cup. How often?
How often you can drink this? You can do it every week. Yes.
Once a week?
Yes, man.
Oh, so it's not like every day like the other stuff, right?
No, you don't have to take it every day. Right.
Okay.
Because a farmer clean out. Right.
How does it taste, Ms Watkins?
A little bit tangy in a sense.
Oh, so it's not like the Cersei?
No, it's not like the Cersei. It's not bitterish.
Okay, all right. Which takes us to number 2.
Number 2.
Which is the Cersei. And everybody knows
Cersei.
Cersei, man. The popular
herb Cersei.
Yes.
You can use this amount to make a cup of tea.
All right, for detox.
For detox.
So that amount, that's fair. So how much, a cup of tea, you said this one is?
This is can make
and
a cup of tea.
How often do you take it?
You can take this every day for 5 days.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Because the bitter your blood is, the more it is.
And how do you mix? You don't mix. I know from.
You can mix this with other herbs.
No, meaning sorry. I meant to say no sweetener, right?
No sweetener, man. You don't have to put any sweetener. Just drink it like water.
For 5 days. And give you a good detox.
Give you a good detox. Good clean out.
All right.
Clean the blood.
Clean the blood. All right.
Right.
Number 2. Number 3.
Number 3 is the burdock.
The burdock. No, we spoke. By the way, guys, we spoke about the burdock. We call it burdock, local here in Jamaica. But this is another powerhouse. We did have a feature on that. It's in the description with Miss Pat. She called it the Detox Dynamo. It's in the description as well. We talk a little bit more about it.
Yeah, you can.
So from Miss Watkins' perspective now, we're just sharing again a bunch of them that we recommend, what she recommends you can use to detox. How do you use this one, Miss? How do you recommend?
Again, you can use the root of the burdock for detox. You can use the leaves. You can use just about anything to make. You use it to make a tea. You can add it with other herbs, and it helps to detox the body.
How often? And how much of it you use when you're making the tea? So let's say the leaves.
Well, you can use 6 leaves to make a cup of tea. Based on your size of your cup, you can use 6. But remember, you're not to use them green. You have to use them when they quail or dry.
Good point.
Right, because when you use it green, then it give you bilious.
And how much days you said again?
Yeah, you can drink this. You can drink this like for 5 days.
5 days, like the
Yes.
Cersei?
Just like the Cersei.
And it's not as bitter as the Cersei?
No, this is
It just, I know from experience, it's just a little bit slimy.
right. Right.
Okay, and help with the detox.
Right.
Number 2. Oh, actually, number 3.
Number
So that's
three.
number 4 now. Let's see what else you have.
Number 4, original banana.
Banana, here comes the banana. All right, so everybody know banana.
Everybody knows banana.
We assume, actually. Some people never seen the banana leaf, you know. It's funny, yeah.
Okay, this is banana leaf.
All right, good.
We use this for cooking, and we use it for detox. We make sure we use it dry leaf.
Dry leaf. So how do you use the banana leaf and how much?
Making a liquid like 4 gallons or so. You would use
4 gallon.
Yes. You would use like 4 banana leaves.
4 long banana leaf.
4 long banana leaves with other herbs compound together. I use it to make your detox. If you're baking, you can quail the green banana leaf and you can put it in your cake tin, or you can put it on top of your pudding when you're baking. Yes.
So that's a bonus. But for the detox purpose though, it's a tea you recommend.
Right. You can make a tea with it.
Okay. And how much do you drink?
You can drink a 8-ounce glass a day.
Okay.
When you compound it with other herbs, even it's in the products that I use for the clean out. Right. So when you use this herb with other herbs, this do wonders.
Okay.
Right.
All right. So you recommend the banana with other herbs, ideally.
Right.
All right. Number 4. Number 5?
Number 5 is Mr. King of the Forest.
The boss again, another boss, right?
Yes.
King of the Forest.
And King of the Forest detox the body. Antimicrobial.
Why do you recommend it?
Yes, it cleans. It's a detox. You can use it with other herbs. You can use it by itself. It's good for eczema. As it's good for dandruff. It's good for belly pain and all those stuff. So you can use it with other herbs and combine it and make a detox.
Okay, awesome. And how much?
You can use 6 leaves to make a cup of tea.
All right, so 5 of them.
Yes.
All right, and so you heard Ms. Watkins mention that she recommend compounding the products, right? Compounding the herbs to make it even more potent. She actually has a product that I'm going to find out from. Talk to her to tell us about that. She actually combined a bunch of these herbs to make a solution, and I'm going to ask her quickly to tell us a little bit about that one. Tell us a bit about this. What you have, Ms. Watkins? Ms. Watkins, sorry.
So this herb, when you take this,
what is the name of it? Clean out?
We call it clean out, and this remove toxin from your body, remove bacteria from your body. So what you'll do, you take a 8-ounce glass a day, and that's it, and it clean you out. And
this product actually,
it helps just about anything. If you have any pain in your body, if you have any illness, if you have fibroids, cysts, if you have prostate cancer, if you have problem with the womb, just about anything, but it's a period of time that you take it for, so
to clean the body, to reset the body.
It cleans all the organs.
So reset, basically.
Right. So it cleans your liver, your kidney, your lungs, your pancreas, your colon, and your prostate.
And it includes many of the herbs that you mentioned, and more actually.
Many of the herbs that is
on there. Okay, cool. You have, this is a big part, guys. So I hear a lot from Ms. Watkins in terms of about the herbs and the herbs that she used and how potent and how effective they are. But we want to hear from the horse's mouth from people who actually use it and have benefited from them. Let's run across and talk to a few right now. Here she is, guys, a product of the product.
Hi.
What's your name?
I'm Kay.
And you have a little boy here running up and down. All right, we want to be a part of it. So, Kay. This is your cheese. Okay, good. What issues you had prior to taking the herbs or this product?
Well, I'm telling you, I have a pain in my hip for a couple of weeks now. From my hip, my right hip, straight down to my knee.
From a hip to your knee, meaning at frontal?
No, at the side, my hip, back to, more to my back. Yes, to the back of my hip. Yes, and it was really painful, especially when I'm driving. When I'm driving, it's terrible. I can't sit there for long, and I have to do it. And I met up on Ms Watkins with these products.
All right. How did you? You're from the same community.
Yes.
Which is great. So you know what she has been doing, but what prompted you to go to her or talk to her or check her out?
Well, the pain. The pain, and I heard about her products. And I went to her. I asked her about her products, and she introduced me to the clean out. Yes. And so I purchased one bottle of the clean out that it was 8 ounces. It's a 16. It's a 500 gallon. 500 ml. Yeah. Yes.
And then
I drank one of that.
Okay. And then what happened?
And to be honest, I'm telling you the pain. I'm not feeling the pain. I really know that it's the clean out.
How long
that's helped me.
How did you use it?
I just drink. She told me to drink 8 ounces, and I didn't. I just drink some.
so you just drink it one time? Or?
No. Oh. I drink it about 4 times. Yes.
And you see a difference?
Yes, really. It really works for me. Yeah.
Okay.
It really works for me.
So herbs work.
Honestly,
do you know
definitely.
You know the herbs that you put in there?
No.
You just trust her judgment?
Yes, I just trust her judgment.
And she mentioned some of them in there earlier. You were here. You remember some of them that she said?
Not really. No.
All right, no worries. All right, thank you for sharing. I appreciate it.
Yes.
I appreciate your story. Herbal work.
Yes, herbal work.
All right, awesome. Thank you. Don't move, guys. Don't go anywhere because we have another story to share. This is Miss Mino. Mino, and she has another compelling story to share about the herbs that she has been using, courtesy of Ms Watkins as well. I want to hear, Miss Mino, what challenge, what issue did you have? What problem you had first?
Well, my problem is pain. I have this severe pain in my back, across my waist, to my hip, straight down to my leg, my ankle. They are swelling. 2 ankles are swelling. And I saw Ms Watkins, and I was talking to her about it, about the pain, and I can't. It is so terrible on me, especially at nights. Yeah. I have the muscle contraction. I can't stretch out my feet at night. It is so painful. I'm telling you, terrible on me. And with all the medication that I'm taking, none of them help me. None of them help me. And she said, I must come with her. I was going to Cambridge. And she said, come with me. And I came home with her. And she gave me 1 bottle of the cleansing. Clean out. And I tell you, yeah, I took it. The first day I took it, she said 8 ounces. I couldn't take 8 ounces one time. I took a little. And in the
less than the 8 ounces?
Yes, and in the evening, I took the 8 ounces. Yes. You see, the morning?
Yeah. The next morning?
I have to rush to the bathroom so fast. And everything went all well. And I go back again the night. The other morning, I took 8 ounces this time. And in the evening, I took 8 ounces again. And that was it. Yeah. That terrible pain that was in my back, in my waist, it's still there, but it's not such severe. Yes. Like before I took that medicine. Yes. And then I feel it, I could have feel the natural medicine rushing down to my leg. Awesome. And the twinkling of the toe, I don't feel it anymore. I don't feel it anymore.
Oh, wonderful. Powerful.
And I tell you that. That medicine, I don't know what is in it. Yeah. If it is miracle working medicine, I don't know. Yeah. But I know it's really, really helpful. I don't know what to say. Yeah. But I know it's really, really helped me. Awesome. And I am not going to stop until I get relief completely.
All right. Wonderful.
Yes.
Thank you, Miss.
Yes.
What again?
Mino.
Miss Mino, thank you. Powerful testimony.
Yeah.
Herbs, bottom line, herbs work.
Yes, it works.
And I appreciate your testimony.
It works for me.
Yeah.
It works for me.
And so we big up people like Miss Watkins,
in her endeavors, doing what she's doing.
Yeah, man, because you continue in the tradition of our foreparents.
Yes.
Herbal medicine.
Yes, it really works.
And I have a bonus for you guys. I have a bonus. A gentleman is passing by here and he wants to share his story. It's not so much about it's actually, we're talking about detox, but this gentleman has a story he wants to share with us. His name, here he is. What's your name, my brother?
My name is Barrington.
Barrington here actually is a product of the product too. He actually used the tonic. I think the tonic that Ms Watkins makes. She has a tonic as well, apart from the clean out. And I want to hear how has it worked for you, my brother? What issues you have or challenges you had and how it worked for you?
When I come in the morning, I feel lousy and drowsy. I understand, and I say, boy, no, sir, I want to try one of the tonic before. And when the first morning I come and drink the tonic. Every morning I come, I need a bottle of tonic to take because I can feel the strength out of that tonic.
Yes. All right. So, guys, this is bonus for you. So, this is, again, what's your name again?
Barrington.
Mr. Barrington. Big up, Mr. Barrington. Mr. Barrington, I talk about the tonic.
Yeah, man.
All right, sir. Love and thanks. Big up. I have a testimony, guy, but I'm not ready to share it yet. Stay tuned. Let's go back to Ms. Watkins. Wow. Ms. Watkins, man. You must feel good.
Yes, I do. It's helping individuals.
Changing lives. Persons that are watching and want to know about how they can reach you. How can they get in touch with you, Ms. Watkins?
They can get in touch with me by calling me at 876 863 8076, or they can find me on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. They can follow me on My-Island-Jamaica.
Of course. By the way, thank you. Big up My-Island-Jamaica. I want to showcase quickly, guys, before we run, some of the other products that Ms. Watkins has. She has some wonderful products. She has them in capsule form. She has them in liquid form. She has them in powdered form. And so I wanted to grab the opportunity for her to just mention a couple of them quickly.
Well, coconut oil is one you can use for Alzheimer's disease. You can take 1 teaspoon every morning.
All natural.
You can cook with it and you can put it on your skin. You can put it in your hair.
It look pretty man and clean
coconut oil, yes.
Yeah. Is this cold press or boil?
No, it's boiled.
Boiled one, okay.
It was the first oil from the coconut oil. So don't boil it down too long. So that's how it looks.
It's
if
clear
you boil
and
it
pretty.
longer, then you get it yellow.
All right, run through quickly for me.
So we have the Bootsa, which is the roots tonic.
That's what the man was talking about.
Them like so much. It's also good for the ladies. Yes, here we go. Good for pain in the joints. Good for your nervous system. Purify your blood. Also, it's good for prostate. It's good for the ladies' womb. Let us rest well.
All right.
All right. We have here real castor oil, Jamaican castor oil. So you have the Jamaican gold, and we have the Jamaican black castor oil.
Awesome.
Yeah. Here we have this is an all-purpose spice, and it have 19 different herbs in it. You can make a tea, and you can cook your food with it. Whether you want to cook your
all
vegetable,
natural.
right?
I remember that one.
All natural. So here we have honey.
Yeah.
Wild honey. Here we have jackfruit flour. We have breadfruit flour.
Cassava flour.
We have cassava flour.
Pumpkin flour. Hold on.
Pumpkin flour.
Hold on. Jackfruit flour. Hold on. This one, guys, the breadfruit flour. If chances are, if you have seen Ms. Watkins before, chances are you would have seen her because of this video. It's our first feature that we did with her, the breadfruit flour, how to make breadfruit flour. There's a link in the description to that one as well. So make sure you check out that first video, or amateur video about the breadfruit flour.
Pumpkin flour.
Yeah, pumpkin flour, yes. Oh, and here have some other stuff.
Charcoal, turmeric and ginger, turmeric powder. We have papaya
seed powder. You told me, interesting.
Papaya seed powder.
And
we have the soursop seed powder. We also make them in capsules. We have the capsules. So we have the sea moss, we have the chamomile, we have the trumpet, we have the We have the turmeric, we have merengue, we have guinea hen, we
All of
have
them.
leaf of life capsules.
All right. Have everything. All right. So Miss Watkins, and more importantly, guys, she's changing lives. She's transforming lives. You hear people willingly, these folks willingly came here to share their stories of transformation, and some of them are still in the process, but I was encouraged because it takes a lot for somebody to come and say this is working for them, especially on camera. And so I wanted to salute Miss Watkins for the work that she's doing. Continuing the tradition of herbal medicine here in Jamaica. Not a lot of us here, not a lot of them are here, but she's one of them that continuing the tradition. Big up, Miss Watkins. Oh, somebody wants to come in. The next generation of Watkins you want to say something? Hey, we have some work to do on her because we want to get her in the herbal, but she's coming along.
Yes,
she's coming along.
She's helping to make the product.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. All right, Ms Watkins and herbs for detox, guys. Listen, man, you know what you need to do. You need to pause now and share this video right now. Share with someone. They need to know. They need to see it. Somebody out there needs it. Hit that share button right now. There's another video you need to see, and that's the one we talk about the medicinal, like 60 medicinal herbs of Jamaica. I don't want you to miss it. There's a link in the description and it's in the card above. See you in that one.
The natural medicine rushed in down to my leg.